Hi, welcome back to the Checkout Guy YouTube channel. In this video, I will tell you how to operate a 10% of discount, which is capped at a fixed rate of $100 step by step. Before that, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more Shopify tips. So, for this, I have used Next Discount app, which is downloaded from the Shopify App Store. You can also download the app from the Shopify App Store. Otherwise, I have attached the link of the app in the description box. You can check it out. Once downloaded it, I can access the app from the Shopify admin panel. Now I'm opening the Next Discount app from the Shopify admin panel and I'm clicking Create New Discount. Now I can choose the discount type as discount code. I can add any discount code. Now I'm adding say 10 and I'm adding a percentage of 10 and a capping amount as 100. I can apply the discount to all products, either specific collections or specific products. So for now, I am choosing it. The discount should be applicable for all products. For any minimum requirements, you can choose the minimum purchase amount. For now, I'm not giving any minimum purchase requirement, so I'm choosing it as no minimum purchase requirement. So in case of customer eligibility, I'm using all customers as my option. I can also limit number of times this discount can be used in total. I'm adding 100 here. Now I can set any start date or end date through which the discount should be activated. I can also combine this discount with the existing one like the product discount, order discount or shipping discount. After entering all the necessary details, I can save the changes. Once saved it, I can check whether the discount is activated from the discount section. Now we can see that the save done is got activated. Now we can test the setup in our online store. So for now, I'm buying a product which costs 1025. I'm adding my discount code as save 10. Now you can see the 100, the capping amount is deducted. Since the 10% of 1025 is 102, it not exceed the capping amount and it is limit the discount amount up to 100. Now I will show you with some other products. Now I'm trying to buy a product of cost 749 and now I'm adding my discount code here. Now you can see it's 74. The discount amount is 74, which is ensures that it's not get exceeded from the capping amount. So, if you need to download this app, please download it from the description box. I have attached the link in the description box. If you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe and comment to our channel. Thanks for watching.